Yeah, good day, everyone. And I know most people will be having issue on how to buy on a decentralized exchange. I bought this RELI. I'll just make another tutorial on buying RELI again, so we all will learn what it is trading on a decentralized exchange. Now, the coin is RELI. The first thing you have to do is to go to CoinGecko. When you go to CoinGecko app, for the coin RELI, depends on the coin that was called. Since it's on, wow, it has even gone up higher than I bought. So it's gone up higher than I bought, and it's on a good move now. So you go down, you click, it's on Pancake Swap. So you copy this Binance Smart Chain address, because Pancake Swap trades on Binance Smart Chain. You copy, you see I've copied it. If it's a new coin, you want to know where it's traded on, all you do is to click on exchanges. You see where you can buy it from: Pancake Swap version 2, Uniswap, and Bilaxi. Bilaxi is a type of exchange. So we'll be using Pancake Swap. Next thing, you go to your wallet. Okay, this is one of my test wallets. You come to DApp. No, since I didn't copy the exchange link, you come to DApp. I click this. I came to my wallet. I already have BNB in my wallet. BNB in my wallet. I transferred BNB from Binance to this wallet. Meaning you transfer BNB from Binance to this wallet. I was holding some BNB here that I want to do a test with. Okay. Then you click on these four dots at the middle bottom of your screen. Click on it. You click on Pancake Swap, automated market maker DEX. It's a decentralized exchange for swapping tokens. Click on this Pancake Swap. When you click on Pancake Swap, you confirm. Note, if you are using Trust Wallet, it might not be like this, but just know for sure that it works same way. When you go to Pancake Swap, I'll still give you an alternative method to do this. Then, since we are interacting with DApp, decentralized application, we should have auto connected to the wallet. But since it's not connected yet, I'll just click on Connect Wallet at the top. Connect Wallet at the top. The wallet didn't connect automatically. Let me refresh this page and see. Should have connected automatically. So I just clicked on MetaMask and it connected. So it has connected to my wallet. Okay. Let me see the amount of BNB I have. BUSD. This is a kind of a test wallet for me. Okay, I have about 370 BNB. Now I want to buy RELI with Pancake Swap. What do? You come here, you type the contract address of RELI. You see, when you type the contract, that is, you paste. Remember, I copied this contract address from this place, Binance Smart Chain, and I'm pasting here on Pancake Swap. Then you click import. When you click import, it will show you this, that anyone can create any token. So you click I understand, since you are sure that the contract address you are copying is correct. Note, if you join some Telegram groups or WhatsApp group, blah blah blah, people might start copying random contract address. Make sure you confirm contract address by going to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap app or website first. So you click import. So it has imported now. But I don't want to buy RELI with my whole 373 BNB that I have. What do? I come here first. I click BUSD. Then I want to buy with just $200 worth of BNB. So $200 worth of BNB is 0.5. 0.5. So you copy this 0.5, 0.4096 thereabout. You copy it. You come here. You search your RELI. Since I've added it now, I've imported it now, it will be easy to add. You click add, then you come here, you type you paste that your 0.5 watts of BNB, which is equivalent to 200 at this current rate. That should give me about 2,858 RELI. Make sure you check the price impact. The price impact is fair. The liquidity provider fee is fair too before you progress. If the price impact is too high and you go ahead to progress, you would be charged so much fee. But note, most pairs on Binance Smart Chain can be bought with BNB or wrapped BNB, which is WBNB. So BNB is fine. This is to say, most tokens you can't just go and be buying it with BP20 token of USDT or BP20 token of BUSD. Okay, so have that in mind. So what do I do? You check your slippage. I click this settings icon close to this exchange. You check your slippage. The slippage is 0.5, which is great. Okay, you can change it to 0.1, but your transaction might fail. You might continue to retry. Slippage means the amount of percentage difference the token should change as you try to buy. In a kind of rush transactions, you can't use slippage like this. You need to increase your slippage because there are excessive purchase that is going on within the system at that time. So what you do now, leave your slippage at 0.5, then you continue, click on swap, you confirm swap, it chooses the fee, you click on confirm. Now you have submitted the transaction. We wait. You can click view on BSC scan, but you wait. There should be a notification that will come up letting you know that okay, now the transaction is successful. Okay, BSC transaction doesn't take that much time like Ethereum, so it's really fast. So we have bought RELI right now. You close. Now you can see that we now have 2,858 RELI available. Let's see what it is in stable coin BUSD. Okay, that's about 199 RELI. If you want to sell RELI, all you need to do is to change this switcher icon. You see this switcher icon in the middle, you change it, making RELI be at the top, meaning you are selling RELI for BUSD. If you want to sell RELI for BNB, you just change BNB here. Then you enable RELI or approve RELI depending on what it shows in your wallet. It can be enable RELI or approve RELI. Then you enable, then you swap itself. This is how to swap in a decentralized exchange. That's it. Please, we have a video tutorial in the academy talking about all this. We made a video on desktop and on mobile, but I'm just trying to remake this here so everybody gets it, because I'll be having DMs, people telling me I don't understand this, I don't understand. If you start referring people to videos now, it might not be the same. So I'm making this video. Next time when we trade on a decentralized exchange, we may not release a video again. We'll just refer you to any of this video. Thank you. The importance of trading on a decentralized exchange, I'll just add this at the back of this video, is when tokens are created on any chain, be it Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, they are first available on a decentralized exchange. They trade for a while, gather fan base and everything before they start getting listed on centralized exchange like Binance, KuCoin. They don't even go straight to Binance. They first get to Hotbit, get to Bilaxi, get to MXC, get to KuCoin, get to FTX. They start going from exchange to exchange before getting to Binance, getting to Coinbase. Coinbase is mostly the last exchange that lists token. All this process can take years, and during these listing processes, these tokens rises, make tremendous gains, etc. Note, not all tokens get to this stage. You have to check the tokens you are buying, you are holding, and how fast it can go. What is the social score? What is the Galaxy score? How are people talking about this token on social media? So, getting these tokens on a decentralized exchange means you are getting it really early and you are ready to make the bulk of the money. That is to say, in few years from now, if this RELI or any token you get on the decentralized exchange gets through these processes, you will find out that you will make tremendous gains if only you didn't sell. Most of all these tokens you see on centralized exchanges pass through these stages. Some automatically move from immediate creation direct to a centralized exchange. It all varies, depends on the project and those behind the project and the use case behind the project. So I think this settles it. Thank you very much.